What's up, foodie gang? We are back with another video. We are making crab and shrimp balls. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and follow me on social media, Instagram, Facebook, and of course YouTube. Alright, we're going to start off with the shrimp. We're going to put about 2 tablespoons of butter in the pan along with some olive oil. We're going to saute the shrimp. Now, I was rushing, so I didn't marinate the shrimp beforehand, but you know, you get the point. You can marinate it for like 30 minutes before you decide to cook the shrimp. And we're going to cook the shrimp about, I would say, 80% through, because we are going to be putting it inside the crab. Halfway through cooking the shrimp, I added some minced garlic, and again, all the ingredients will be in the description. And the reason why I added the minced garlic in the middle before I flip it is because I do not want the garlic to burn, because garlic gives a bitter taste once it burns. So I'm flipping over the shrimp, and as you can see we have a nice sear on the shrimp. Let's pull it up. Look at that. See? So from that point, we're going to go ahead and cut the shrimp. You let it cool off a little bit. You don't want to burn your fingers. Again, you want to assemble the shrimp. You just want to cut them into pieces. You see my little tasty knife? Alright, we're going to cut them into small pieces again, because we're going to use this to put inside of our crab filling, and we're going to get to that in just a few seconds. So let's just go ahead and cut the shrimp up and show you exactly how it looks. Diced, not overcooked, and getting ready for the mixture. Alright, so let's go ahead and move to the fun part. Let's get this crab mixture going. Alright, remember, all the ingredients will be in the description. Don't rush me. So we have an egg, mayonnaise, and then we're going to go ahead and add mustard. Now I do a mix of yellow mustard and Dijon mustard. Worcestershire, however you want to call it, whatever floats your boat. Then we're going to add some Old Bay seasoning and Old Bay rub. And again, I'll show you where you can get the Old Bay rub, or you can simply use just regular Old Bay seasoning. But I love to take it up another level. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and put those mixtures together. Then we're going to add some fresh parsley. Again, I decided to use fresh parsley because if we're frying food, that freshness is going to be amplified. Okay, now I like to mix my ingredients halfway through. I'm still not done yet, but again, I just wanted to, make sure I have the right consistency. I'm going to add some melted butter. Definitely have to have that flavor in there. And from there, we're going to add some breadcrumbs. Now, I'm not adding all the breadcrumbs at once because I do want to control the batter. Because, again, you don't want it too dry and you don't want it too wet. You got to have it exactly right. Alright, so I'm just stirring and making sure that everything is okay. As you can see, the batter is still a little wet. So I did decide to add a little bit more breadcrumbs and hit it again. And oops, look, put a little bit too much in there, but it actually ended up working out. And again, I'll put the ingredients in the description for you guys. Alright, so I'll go ahead and mix that together, make sure it's not too lumpy. Then we take a squeeze of a lemon, and then from there we're going to go ahead and mix that together. Alright, the key ingredient, the lump crab. Now I'm adding half the mixture in. It's all about controlling, because you do want to make sure you have the right consistency for these crab balls, because we are frying them. Again, I'd added half. Once I flip it, I decided to make sure that it's the right consistency. Now we're folding, I said flip, we're folding the crab meat in. I'm not stirring, you see I'm lightly touching the top and folding in. Again, you just want to fold. You don't want to mess up the crab meat. You definitely want to fold. Okay, here we go. The shrimp. This is the best part here. You add the shrimp because we're on our final home stretch. And I took a little bit of that garlic that was still left over in the pan, and I put it inside the mixture. And again, we just want to flip. We're not stirring. I'm using a spatula. We just want to flip the mixture just so it's well combined. All right. From there, you do want to get ready to assemble the balls. So this is what we do. I would say it was about a 6-ounce ball. And again, you want to make a ball, go however you decide to make a ball, but you can see I am just going around to make sure it's tight, it's not too wet, and as you can see, I have a nice ball. You see the lump crab, you see the shrimp, and you see the parsley all inside that ball. And again, you want them to be a decent size, and you want it to be tight as well, because we are going to be frying it, so you don't want it to break apart when you put it in the oil. All right, let's speed it up a little bit. I'm pretty sure y'all don't want to see me go ahead and make all these balls, so we're gonna speed it up. And once we make all the balls and you have the right consistency that you want, you do want to put it in the fridge. Wow, that look amazing. You do want to put it in the fridge for at least an hour to overnight. Once we take it out, we're at the final home stretch. We're going to fry these bad boys. So here's some oil. I have it at about 350. And again, once you put the balls in, this is what you want. You don't want the oil to be too hot. You want it to be just right. And as you can see, as I'm putting the balls inside of the oil, they're frying immediately, and you want it spaced out, and you do not want to overcrowd the pan. Let's take them out. Wow, this is about, I would say about 5 to 7 minutes at 350. Again, you just want to eye it. You want to wait till it gets golden brown. All stoves are different. I'm using a cast iron, but wow, this is amazing. Look at that. All right, so we're going to go ahead and open one of these bad boys up. Look at that, nice and golden brown. Wow. And then from there, look at this. Let me show y'all this real quick. Look at that. Well, enjoy. There you go. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Later.